Welcome to Believer Trader, and today is date 9/1/23, and we have drawn an important line here in 1 hour chart. If you do observe here, okay, if you observe here, it has broken out. And point of view to understand is very important here is that from the low, okay, after the breakout, it has came to test and it has gone upside quickly. Okay, if you do observe in a 5-minute chart, then we will be having a clear sign of to understand here. So right now, what actually happening here? Okay, point number 1 to understand: breakout, retracement, and whoever have been trapped or something, they have pushed the market upside, and again market is facing some resistance here. So if market rallies, it will be rallying around 42,642 levels. Okay, so on the point of view, the average of yesterday is around 42,260 somewhere, and right now market is running at 42,366. Okay, we will live record the things that what our mindset will tell the market to go up or downside. Okay, point number 1 to discuss is here that market is about to tend to go about 464 and above. So we will quickly place our call buy position, that is 42,200 call. We are going to buy it at around 450 levels. Yeah, 460. Oh my god, 465 level we have bought it. Because it's a breakout from here and we are observing the correct market trend here. Okay, the market is about to break out higher because it has trapped some buyers and sellers. If you can observe here, let me switch myself to the 10-minute chart or 5-minute chart so that it will be refreshed. Okay, it has trapped in this candle and it will be moving around 42,787 as per the future chart. And if you do observe the volumes here, then we will be clearly understanding the structure here. Okay, now it is about to go upside. Okay, and you can see this is engulfing of a candles. This is engulfing of that position, and if it is breaking this level, and we will be observing the nice uptrend here, very nice uptrend. Could be around 42,780 levels in the future, and if you observe in spot levels, it will be around 42,541 level. Okay, let's wait, and the momentum, if it continues, we will be checking out, and we will be placing our strict stop loss and targets with ourselves so that we will have a better positions, right? Let us see what actually going to be our result. As of now, if I observe from the point of view in the Bank Nifty charts, State Bank of India and Axis Bank and HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank wants to move upside, and they are consolidated, and again they will be moving up higher side. Let us see the momentum, then we will be planning ourselves in the better way. The volumes has to pop up, then we will have a better trend here. Right now, this is actually structure is showing me that projection is coming from the downside and may move high at any time. Okay, if we do observe in 3 minutes here also, it has to break this level, that is 42,640 levels, and to our moves, who is going to give a great moves has to be checked here. And ICICI Bank is about to give a breakout. So, and HDFC Bank, if it is moves around 1605 and above, then we will have a nice trend here. The target is be around 42,800, that is 788 in any future level, if I say. And as per the Bank Nifty on spot level, if I say, it will be around 550 levels. Okay, so on the point of view, we are holding this trade, It should be nice, healthy uptrend should be there, and volume has to expand. Then only our trade will be confirmed very highly. Let's see the momentum, and we will be okay. 42,652 levels. If I say in a spot, it may give me in a quickly move. It can give very quick move because it's the morning day, so it will be very speed. And US 30 has closed around 2% higher. So on the point of view also, we will have a very quick momentum upside here. Okay, 42,630 in future levels, and yeah, we will be around 680 levels. We will be talking with this one position. The momentum has to be very speed on the point of view. Let me refresh it. And if I talk about this one, Bank Nifty's stopping code is 42,665 as per the future spot level, because it has 50-day moving average. Okay, and there only the target only also will be the same thing here. Let us see in a 10 minutes chart, and let us see in 15 minutes chart. Has to move high very speedily, then only we will have very quick profits. In 30 minutes, the 42,572 is one of the point to stop and to go higher. Slow consolidations are happening here. One point is that Axis Bank has to go upside very quickly, and SBI, the main motor bank, has to go upside is SBI now. If SBI moves, then very good move can happen here. In future, let me refresh it. Every structure is nice here. It can move around another 120 points at all. Let's see the points we have entered, right? IndusLand Bank is about to break out. HDFC Bank, yes, it's moving. Only thing is the SBI has to give a thumbnail upside to go speedily. Kotak Bank, yeah, it's moving high. It has to break out. Axis Bank is about to break out high. SBI has to be in a move. 606, if moves above, then will be very drastic move upside. If I say it's around 10-2 now. The volumes has to pop up now very highly and has to go upside quickly. I expect before 10-5 it has to move around 100 points. Yes, it's breakout here and it's moving quickly here, and I will be observing this. It will be coming around 42,783 levels, and in a spot also I will be observing around 42,613 levels. So on the point of view, we have around 30 points profit here right now, and the Bank Nifty, if I show you, it's near to 500 now, 42,490. Okay, and 570 at least it may go upside. Patience is the main key that what actually teaches us to make a money. One quick upside will be here, that is at around 500 and above. Before 10.5 we will be reaching around 42,500. That is the important point of view to understand here. In 30 minutes, okay, in 1 hour chart, there is a momentum has to give at least to 42,687. It is showing me as that. Okay, on the point of view, 42,687 is going to be a very important level that we are going to observe the target. Yes, it's quick upside now. 42,500 is broken now, and we have a profit about 35 points here. So we can hold this position because we are in a profit position. Let us see that it is going to move around 40 to 600 levels, then we will have a better profits in this one. When you are in profits, you have to hold the position in very quick and very tight level, otherwise we will be having a lot of a creep. If I say creep, not creep, means the sense that, okay, if you do observe, this one is 750 right now, the profits now it's 825, sometime it is showing me momentum. I am observing around another 50 points here. On the basis we are going to book the profits. Record is confirmed, so waiting is very important for us. If you do not wait, we will not make a good profits. So around 1000, if I may say that, it may give us profit and then we will exit. In future level, there is a nice breakout, okay, and around 770 levels we are going to take the position out of my position. Let me see that. Okay, 711, 588, 736, it's moving ups and downs, ups and downs. Only another 50 points we are going to observe here, then we are taking out our position. Okay, in future level I am observing another 50 points to move upside. On that basis we are going to make a profits here. A quick upside is needed here. Okay, we are moving towards 913, 15 levels. Once we observe 1000, we are exiting here the position. Emotion that, okay, that we are going to we are, when your profit seeing, then you exit. No, not like that. It has to move upside. Now another 50 points I am expecting, so that I can capture 25 points. That's the important lecture or subject, the things that we have to learn from this one. Okay, we have got now 1000 above, so we'll wait another 10 minutes so that we will have good profits in this one. Okay, we have booked around 1075. You can observe that the position we have entered at 955 and we have exited at 10.8. Okay, why we have exited here? Because our target is reached. Okay, around 465 exited entry, that is okay, 465 minus 508, so 43 point we have absorbed here. And if you can see that another 10 minutes if I hold it, I could have earned another 4-5 points in that, and we lack with only 9 points here. Anyway, we have entered very nicely here, taken a trade very nicely in one lot. What was our observation? What actually our thought when we are entering the position with very small lot? If you do observe here, and we have discussed in 30-minute chart, first we will come to 30-minute or 1 hour chart. Okay, and if you do observe this one, let me remove this VWAP. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me take this one. 1, 2, 3 and 4th. This attempt, it has broken out. When it has broken out, if you come to the 5-minute chart, then we are observing what? Okay, we are observing that suddenly whenever in a very nice downtrend, okay, if it is gap up, obviously in the first attempt it will come downside. Okay, the same things happened here, and it has clearly said in this candle, this hammer candle has said me that okay, we are not going downside. On the basis, one option you can do is that you can sell put option here, or you can buy the call option after taking this breakout. Okay, and when I had entered, if you do observe that in a 1-minute chart, if I do show you 1-minute chart, okay, and let me show that in a future chart so that it will be very clarified view to understand here what it has done. That okay, it has suddenly moved upside, and you can see that it has waited for some momentum and suddenly gone down, because some people, who are sellers, have even taken out their position, number one, and then after that what actually happened, slowly it has built up the momentum. And when we have entered, very important thing is to observe that we have entered somewhere here, that is here. I think I have entered here in this candle, I think so, and this candle has confirmed, okay, and it has moved around from here to here, and we have even discussed that our stop loss and target here. You can look here that we have entered here. Our stop loss are somewhere here only, because and we have exactly how much we have, exactly we got 1:1, okay. And in option, you should not say that it is 1:1, because it may have another factors like option decay, all those kind of things. So whatever may be, the thing is that we have entered in the right position, and we have taken an right psychology. That's important point of view to understand. And when I booked the profit, you can see that I have drawn some blue line here. You can see that one. What is this one? And before the 1 day only, I had drawn these lines by saying that this could be a rejection points, all those things like, and like you can see that in 30 minutes, if I zoom out, okay, there is some rejection level, rejection peoples are there, okay, around this level. So on the basis also, and on the basis of our psychological targets also, we have booked the profits about around 1075 today. So mota mota mein hum target we have got around 43 points from the low. Actually I had got it at 435 45 level only, but we have entered very 20 points late, so we are booking 40 points in this day. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is one small lot which I have given as an example on target and trade. I think if you do enjoyed this one, let me please do share and subscribe. Thank you.